Sails up. We're sailing. I think we can. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Just thought we would say good morning, show you the beautiful day here in Charleston. Are you ready? It's a little sunny, a little chilly, but you know, fresh out of a shower. I feel so much better. And I'll show you the sun. Here it goes. Might be a little sunny.
Beautiful.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Chilling out.
Yep.
Under the Dodger.
Yes.
Does help break some wind.
Yep.
It's a beautiful morning.
Beautiful view.
It really is. Anyway, I think we have things we have to do, so we gotta let you go.
Yep. Okay. Hi, guys. We're cleaning out the bilge.
From years of not being ever
Cleaned, apparently.
cleaned, this is one of the recommendations was to
Clean it and wipe it off. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay. As we were saying, the bilge.
After they
Years of not cleaning it. We've drained all the water out of it using a suction tube.
we were told
And the water stinks really bad.
that we should
Now wipe it all out.
clean it all out.
So for those of you who have been sailing and you're going, I don't know why these people are doing this, we're glad we're giving you a little bit of a laugh
Yeah.
because it looks nasty down there. And again, it stinks. So Juanita's not doing it. Guess who's doing it?
But I'm told a clean bilge is good for
The boat.
the boat and for us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna clean it, and yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, Mike's gonna clean
Fun
it.
stuff.
Mhm.
And I was told to use diapers
Diapers.
because it soaks up everything. So we're gonna get started, and we'll show you. You see what it looks like before, and I'll do my best to clean it up and show you what it looks like after.
We'll see when we're done.
See ya.
Hi again. Okay,
There you go.
Mike did a great job.
It's
He cleaned out the bilge.
all dry.
Luckily, he has a cold a little bit, so he can't smell nothing. Thank God, because it really does stink. But not as bad now that we've got all the old water out of there. And it looks pretty decent. Not too bad.
Not for having years of not being cleaned.
Yep. The diapers work great.
We'll continue to clean it too.
If you all laugh that we use the diaper, that's quite all right.
If you have something better.
Yeah, because I told Mike next time I'm buying adult diapers, they should hold more. He's laughing at me. Instead, we got little baby diapers, which to me doesn't hold much liquid. So, we'll see how the adult diapers work. See, he thinks I'm nuts. But, so.
Another project off the list. Now,
We're going to give her a bath.
I think it's time to give it a bath.
Yep. So, we will talk with you all later. Luckily, it's warm enough to be able to give her a little bit of a bath, so that's a good thing. So, ciao, ciao. Okay. We washed it in the boat today. So, I thought we would show you how nice and clean it looks. We scrubbed it, and we think it looks a lot better. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we can. So, we think it looks really good. Mike here's trying to still fix one of our small leaks. The water is becoming a nemesis to us, but we think it's either coming from around there or it's coming from one of the little drains right next to this. So we're going to try to fix both and see if that works. But the boat is nice and shiny. She looks pretty with our Dodger frame on. So we've done lots of little projects, haven't we, Mike? Now we're trying to finish up, and then we're going to be heading back to Lake Wiley. But she looks nice and pretty and clean. And it has been a gorgeous day all day today here in Charleston. So we won't film again until we come back out. So you want to look up and say anything, Michael?
Until next time.
Ciao, ciao. Hi guys. We came down to the boat. We just got on the boat. First project already. We're taking the table out. We're going to see what it looks like. We haven't even unpacked our stuff yet. I have been looking forward to this ever since our last trip here.
Yes, she has.
So we're...
Give us more room.
Yep. And if we don't like it, we'll put it back on. But I think it's going to look a lot better and a little bit more room, because I think we've told you all that we do have a dog, a Boo.
Yes.
Not a small dog. So we need to make sure he has room when he comes down. And we do think this will definitely help the boat.
Who knows what this looks like underneath there?
Yeah, we're kind of worried about that.
We're getting ready to find out.
We're gonna find out. Please no hole. Oh, just a little hole. We can fix that little hole. That's just a tiny hole. What's down in that hole?
I don't know.
Huh.
Can you shine a light in there? What do you see?
Nothing. I don't see nothing. We can fill that little hole. That's not a problem. And we get a rug and cover it. We're good. That was quick. Shh. Don't say that was quick on a boat.
Yeah, exactly.
Yay.
Gotta figure out how to cover that. Gotta do some.
We can go to. I got this. I got this. I got it.
Well, okay then.
Michael's. They have little discs that's made out of wood. Pre-cut. That's all we got to put down in there. Put the little disc in there and get a hammer and.
And then we'll never get it out.
Well, you didn't say I had to get it out.
Just saying.
But I can get it in there.
Great.
Okay, we'll let you guys go. No telling what else we're going to do. So, till next time, ciao, ciao.